I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. Yeah.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share, guys, a DIY project for outdoors. I'm going to take some inexpensive garden pots and give them Chelle's touch. I hope you enjoy. Now, what you're going to start with is find the cheapest possible pots that are out there, guys. This white one is plastic. It's just from Bunnings. It cost me around $10. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some masking tape and I'm going to first of all cover the top and the bottom of the pot. Now guys, I didn't have any painter's tape on hand this day, but I used sticky tape for this particular section and it still worked just fine. What I want you to do here is I'm going to create triangles with the sticky tape. I continued around the entire pot, and what you're going to get is an abstract look about it. So you're going to have what resembles triangles all the way around. Now, once you're happy with the result, we're going to take your project outside, and I'm going to use this beautiful colour by Dulux. It's called Dulux Pink Splendor in spray paint, and I'm going to give the pot 2 coats. Once your project is completely dry, what we're going to do is we're going to take off all the tape. We're then going to remove both the top and bottom tape, and I was really happy with the result.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you.
Now, once I'd finished, I cleaned up and moved on to my second project. Now, you know your girl Chelle loves leopard print, so I wanted to have a go at jazzing up an inexpensive garden pot and adding a leopard print touch. I then took this inexpensive pot that I recently picked up from Kmart, and what I'm going to do is take some gold craft paint. Now with leopard print, guys, you want to add a design that looks similar to the shape of a kidney. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm painting random ones all around the pot. Now you're going to continue around until the entire pot is covered. I'm then going to take some pretty blush pink paint. Now this was actually a colour match, guys, from a piece of home decor that I had. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go around the outline of the gold shape. Now you don't want to go completely around, you want to break it up. So see here, I'm just going halfway round and then I'm going to start on the opposite side. Now there's no perfection when it comes to leopard print. You just want to continue around, and if you feel that it needs more, you go back in with more paint. You're going to continue around until you've done every shape.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah, 'cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could.
Guys, these are simple and inexpensive projects that anyone can do. Now, it's the first week of autumn here in Australia, but in the last couple of weeks we have had nothing but beautiful summer-like weather. I've been outside doing lots of DIY projects in my garden, and I wanted to share this idea with you.
And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
My outdoor area was definitely looking a little drab, guys, and in the last couple of weeks I have done lots of projects out there which I'm going to share with you. So don't forget to hit your subscribe button and tap your notification bell so you'll be aware when I upload those videos. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to redecorating your outdoor pots. Now don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.